iRadio USA, we're Eye on Attraction.
Tell me more about you guys.
We're a progressive rock, alternative rock band from Scranton.
Okay, I saw you guys. You guys are impressive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Where you guys are from again?
Scranton, Pennsylvania.
Scranton.
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Mike, play guitar.
I'm Joe, I play bass.
I'm Andrew, I drum.
I'm Amber, I sing.
This is the first time here?
Yes.
How, what'd you think?
Awesome.
Yeah.
They support a lot of local bands.
I love that.
Awesome.
We're not local, but
We're not.
we
Yeah.
Still support
We
us.
appreciate that.
How'd you end up here?
Craving Strange.
Okay.
Craving Strange.
Oh, you know them.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
played with them up at the Room in Connecticut,
Okay.
and we got them to come up to Scranton, and they got us to come down here. So
Were you guys going back to Pennsylvania?
Tonight. Yeah.
Unfortunately.
2 shows tomorrow.
Where?
A show in Scranton, and then a show back up in Ithaca, New York, tomorrow
Okay.
night.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's in Scranton? What bar?
Uh,
We're actually playing at a college, University of Scranton.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
It's a, yeah. Battle of
Spring
the
Fest.
Bands, and then
What about Ithaca?
Ithaca is at a place called the Dock.
Okay.
Yeah, the Dock
When-
with a band called Divot.
When?
Tomorrow night, I think we go on 2nd of 3, and the show starts at 9. It's probably around 10 o'clock.
Okay. Okay. How long you guys been together?
Oh. Us 3 have been together for 4
years.
years, and she's newish.
4 months.
Yeah.
She's newish.
Newbie. Okay.
So,
4, 7, 8
Yeah.
months.
Well, it's good seeing you. Saw you guys tonight, and I got Eye of Attraction.
Ion.
Take-
Ion.
Bad pun. Bad pun.
bad pun.
What was it?
Eye
on
on
attraction.
attraction.
Ticket.
3 words.
All right. Take care.
Thank you.
you.